Finish him!
Said I'm over you.
Just someone that you go to at night.